Every step forward brings you closer to your goal. Strength comes from pushing beyond your limits. Lift your dreams, and nothing. If you also want this type of motion animation for free, then you are on the right place. I will tell you how you can make these in just 5 minutes. Let's start working. Hope you have subscribed my channel. First part is making animation on Canva. Open Google and search for Canva. Click first link. Then you can sign up for free for lifetime. Once you're in, you can also use templates for free, but we can create our own design. Click on the Create a Design button and select size of video that works best for your project. So I choose Instagram Reel size video. Now, it's time to start customizing. Click on Video, then on top left side, click on Color and choose black color for background. Select Element option from left panel and search Grid, then go on Graphics option and select any background grid you like. So I choose this one. Now adjust size of grid according to video size. Now make 3 copies of this page by pressing Ctrl+D. Now to add animations, again click on Elements and search for Running Person Animation. Then select this white person animation. Scroll down, then you can find more. Also choose this person doing push-ups and also this one person lifting weight. Adjust the sizes of animations. You can also choose more animations, so I search for sun animation. And this choose sun animation. Adjust sun size. To add person running animation, click on Animation, then click on Create an Animation by moving the person in any direction by clicking with mouse pointer. So here are the results. Adjust this little much. Now to get best result, we can add transition between these 3 pages. Click on this transition button and add flow transition. This will give best page transition animation to video. Next part, to add free AI audio in video. Open Google and search for free TTS. Then slide down and click this link, Text to Speech. This website is free to generate AI speeches in 100+ languages. Just paste your text here, select any language and any character. Then click on Convert Now. Now download your audio for free. To add audio and export video, again open Canva. On left panel, click on Upload Files option and add AI-generated audio here. Now press left-click and select Split Audio option and split your audio into 3 parts for best voiceover. Now video is ready to export. Simply click on Share button and download video in MP4 video option. Adding glowing effect and free viral caption on video using CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC, click on Import and import your video using plus option. We can add glowing effect by clicking this effect button on top left corner and add this edge glow effect on video. Increase its length. Adjust glow according to your choice. Then click Video. Move on top right corner and click Adjustment and scroll down and adjust Vignette to 26. And again move to Video option and adjust Blend to 86. Now the last step is to add caption in just 2 clicks. Move on top left corner and click Caption, and then click on Templates. Click any caption that you like the most. Click on small plus icon on caption you like, and then click on Generate Caption. This will automatically generate caption according to video audio. Now adjust caption location and caption size. Here's the last result. Click on Export to download video. Like, share and subscribe this video.